Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a very delicious dish. We have our Magnolia Mayonnaise Japanese spaghetti with a little bit of a twist. We have here our tocino. First ingredient that we're going to use is 500 grams soba, which we will put in boiling water. Now, it says cook according to package directions. That's 2 to 3 minutes. And we mix it a little bit. Then, we will get our strainer and we will put the hot noodles in our strainer. Give it a little bit of a shake. And we will put it in our bowl. Then, we will rinse this. Stop it from cooking. And give it a good mix. And then, we will strain the excess water. And we will let that cool a bit. Meanwhile, we have here our cooked tocino and we have the oil from the cooked tocino. This will add flavor to our food. And we're going to put it in our wok. And then we will add our asparagus. Okay? And we will stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you want it to cook faster, you can put a cover and leave it for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to strain this and set this aside. Meanwhile, we have our bowl of our cooked soba, and we will add the following ingredients. Of course, our favorite, the Magnolia Mayonnaise. Just like that. And then we will also add the other ingredients. We have our yellow miso paste. We have our sugar, salt and pepper. Also have our mirin or sweet sake. And we mix. Now we can add some of the asparagus. The others we will use for topping. Chicken tocino, and we give it a good mix. So very creamy, very delicious. After which, you will transfer to a plate. And here we have our finished product, Japanese spaghetti with asparagus and chicken tocino. It's a little bit creamy, it's a little bit salty, sweet. It has everything. Brought to you by my favorite ingredient, Magnolia Mayonnaise.